it's your favorite girl Roya here, back with another video. And today I did this mellow yellow spring looking like a sunflower look for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this look like I do. And also, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, to me's channel. And yes, I also have an Instagram if you want to follow me there. And also, me and my boyfriend just made a channel together. We don't have any videos up yet, but we will be doing pranks, challenges, vlogs on that channel. So go follow that channel as well. I will dearly appreciate it if you do. So don't forget to like. Wait, I said that already. So let's get on to the video. Bye. So alrighty guys, so I'm going to be starting off with my Urban Decay concealer and putting that on my eyelids just to prime. Then I'm gonna blend everything out. Still blending. Go ahead, girl. Now I'm gonna use my Mercier powder just to set that concealer into place. Now I'm gonna take my dupe of the Morphe palette, but I got it from AliExpress because I'm broken and cheap. So I'm gonna put that yellow orange color into my crease and blended that baby in. Key to the look, well, key to any eyeshadow look, to be honest, is blending. Next, I'm gonna use that vibrant and yellow and put it in my crease and also on my lids. And I'm gonna take a different type of brush and I'm gonna pat that bad boy into my eye. Well, not into my eye, but on my eye. And then I'm gonna just blend everything together. I look so focused. Now I'm going to be using my, I don't know why I didn't show it, but I'm using my Fenty Beauty highlighter trophy wife, you know. And then I really suck at eyeliner, so yeah, I'm just, you know, I suck at eyeliner. But I finessed that bad boy. So next I'm going to be using my E.l.f. primer that I got for $6, and this works like a charm. Next, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation because you want to look dewy. You gotta look dewy for the dewiness, but you gotta look dewy for the spring, you know. You gotta shine on them one time and not just. And next, I'm going to be using my Urban Decay concealer and putting that underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow area, and blend it out. And then I'm using a different concealer because why not? So I'm using the Maybelline concealer. I had a brain fart, but I'm using the Maybelline concealer and blending that out. And then I'm gonna take my Mercier. Why I'm not showing the products here? But I'm using my Mercier powder to set that concealer so it won't move, it won't budge. Next, I'm gonna use my handy dandy contour kit by Kat Von D and contouring my cheekbones, making my cheekbones appear, the ones I don't have. But that's why, you know, we use makeup to enhance the features we don't have. So next I'm going to be using my L'Oreal powder just to set everywhere else. And also under my eye because it was looking a little ghostly. So I had to put that under my eye. And then I was looking at my contour. I was like, I need to deepen that up just a little bit, just a tad. Next, I'm using that banana shade in the contour kit just to bring back, you know, that highlight. And and then blending everything in. And next I'm using my e.l.f. $3 blush. I love this blush. Then I'm using my BH Cosmetic highlighting palette and highlighting the heck out of my face. I didn't know I put that much highlighter, but like, you know, it's the springtime, so why not put on that glow, that dewiness, like you sweating from within, but you're really not. It's just a highlighter. And next I'm gonna use my Play-Doh lip gloss. And then I gotta, you know, spray the face. Spray that face. Now you look all wet and whatnot. Dry yourself. Go ahead, dry it. Dry it. Ayy. Then, you know, I had to like tone down the highlighter because it was too popping. And there you go. There you guys have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. See you guys in my next video.